I'm going to run your test material today on two different machines. This is the material sent to me, and so it's fairly easy stuff to grind. The first one is a rotor which is 7 by 17 inches. This is a 5 horsepower unit. It does about 150 pounds per hour will process through this unit. I have a 6mm screen. Then I have the larger unit, which is a 10 horsepower unit, and this unit has a diameter rotor of 12 inches and 16 inches across. This will get you 250 pounds per hour. And again, I'm running this with a 6mm screen in here. So I'm gonna turn off the video, turn on the machines, and then I'll run the test. I'll show you the test material, then I'll send you the samples. I'm gonna run your first test on the larger machine. It's a 10 horsepower, and again, it's a rotor that's 12 inches wide by 16 inches. Get you here to turn this machine on. It's simple. It's just, that gets the blower. This says the integrated blower package, and then the grinder. And I'll just take the parts and load them in. This machine's having no problem with your parts. I'm just going to keep loading it. Going through this whole bag in less than 2 minutes. The unit has no problem processing this. Here's the material coming out. I'm going to continue. I'll process another box and I'll show you the final results in this machine. It took the first load real easy. What I'm going to do is just show you the strength of the machine. Paul's here is going to drop this whole box in there at once just to show you what happens when we put it all in there. Ready, Paul? It took the whole box of parts in one shot and had no problems keeping up with it. You can see the material coming out. So I'm going to process it all the way through and I'll show you the end product. Here's your ground material. This material was run with a screen of 6mm. You can go up to 8, 10, whatever you'd like, or you can go down to 5 or 4. I think when you go to 4, you'll get a lot more fines in it. There's not that many fines with the 6, so I'm going to send you this sample, and so you get to see what it looks like, and then I'm going to run your next project in the smaller machine, the 5 horsepower. To turn on the 5 horsepower machine, it's fairly simple. Just press the green button. You see how it's turning in there. And I'm just going to start loading up your material into this machine. A handful at a time. Put a bigger handfuls in. having no problems with it. I'm just going to dump the rest in. So the box is done. We did that in less than 2 minutes. I'll let this load run out and I'll show you what the material looks like. Here's your material from the test run on the 5 horsepower unit. Here's your sample. It ran real nice. This took probably 3 minutes, that whole box, to do the whole thing. Again, this was run with a 6mm screen. This unit has a kind of a takeoff box where you just put a loader on here to bring it back up to your blender to use it. We also sell the same machine with an integrated blower package. So you can have it either way, with the nozzle where you just put the wand in there and suck it out, or it goes into a Gaylord, either one. But it ran real easy, real nice, no heat. Very simple test. So we're going to bag up both samples, and there'll be UPS to you on Monday.